Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD-II trouble code P0122, also known as the throttle or pedal position sensor circuit low input problem. First things first, let's break down what the P0122 code actually is. The P0122 code is set when your vehicle's engine control module, or ECU, detects a problem with the signal coming from the throttle or pedal position sensor. If that throttle position sensor or accelerator pedal position sensor signal, depending on the vehicle's design, becomes too low, stuck near ground or below the expected range for the current throttle and engine conditions, the ECU can no longer accurately determine the position of the throttle plate or the driver's accelerator pedal input. And when that happens, it throws the P0122 trouble code to let you know something's wrong with the TPS or APP circuit. Now let's talk about what the throttle position sensor and the accelerator pedal position sensor actually do. The throttle position sensor measures the angle of the throttle plate. In older cable-operated throttle systems, it's mounted directly on the throttle body and moves along with the throttle plate as you press the accelerator. In newer drive-by-wire systems, there's no mechanical cable connecting the accelerator pedal to the throttle body. Instead, the vehicle utilizes two electronic sensors: the accelerator pedal position sensor, which measures the distance of the accelerator pedal being pressed, and the throttle position sensor, which measures the actual opening angle of the throttle plate. The PCM constantly compares these two signals and uses them to determine exactly how much the throttle should open, allowing the correct amount of air into the engine. As the throttle plate or accelerator pedal moves, the signal voltage changes smoothly. Each sensor produces its own signal, often following different voltage patterns. The PCM continuously compares these signals to make sure they agree. If one signal becomes incorrect or no longer matches the other, the PCM recognizes a fault and may set a trouble code such as P0122. Now let's know why P0122 gets triggered. The engine control module, or ECM, continuously monitors the signals coming from the throttle position sensor and, on electronic throttle systems, the accelerator pedal position sensor. These sensors receive a 5-volt reference and a ground from the ECM, then return a signal voltage that changes smoothly as you press or release the accelerator pedal. The ECM expects this signal to change gradually and stay within a specific voltage range. As the throttle plate or accelerator pedal moves, the sensor voltage changes smoothly, as shown in the table. On vehicles equipped with dual sensors, the ECM also compares both sensor signals to make sure they follow the expected relationship. If the signal suddenly disappears, becomes stuck, jumps erratically, falls outside the expected voltage range, or the two sensor signals no longer agree with each other, the ECM recognizes that it can no longer trust the throttle or pedal position information and triggers the P0122 trouble code. If you'd like to test these sensors yourself instead of just replacing parts and hoping for the best, check out Chapter 9 of my book, Engine Sensors and OBD-II Codes Explained. I cover the complete step-by-step multimeter testing process, making sensor diagnostics easy to understand, even for beginners. Now that we understand what P0122 means and how it gets triggered, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0122 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD-II reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD-II scanner. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0122 code reappears. If the P0122 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0122. Now let's go over some of the most common root causes behind the P0122 error code. One of the biggest, and honestly one of the most overlooked causes, is a loose throttle position sensor or accelerator pedal position sensor connector, depending on your vehicle's design. Before replacing any expensive parts, start with a thorough visual inspection. With the ignition switched off, inspect the sensor connector and wiring harness for loose connections, bent or corroded terminals, damaged insulation, or wires that may have rubbed against nearby components. Sometimes, simply repairing a loose connection or damaged wire is all it takes to eliminate the P0122 code. And one more thing, don't just fix the problem and forget about it. Log every fault code, repair, and maintenance task in Carvio. That way, you'll always have a complete service history and can easily spot recurring issues. Download Carvio today and take control of your vehicle's maintenance history. Next, another very common cause of the P0122 code is a dirty throttle body. Over time, dust, oil vapors from the PCV system, and other contaminants can build up around the throttle plate and inside the throttle body. As these deposits accumulate, the throttle plate may no longer move as smoothly as it should. It can begin to stick, hesitate, or fail to return to its correct position. When that happens, the throttle position sensor reports a throttle angle that doesn't match what the ECM expects. The signal may become erratic or fall outside the normal operating range, causing the ECM to set the P0122 trouble code. The good news is that this is often an easy fix. Remove the air intake duct, inspect the throttle body for heavy carbon deposits, and clean the throttle plate using a throttle body cleaner and a clean, lint-free cloth. Avoid forcing the throttle plate open on electronic throttle bodies unless the manufacturer's procedure allows it. After cleaning, some vehicles may require a throttle body relearn or idle relearn procedure so the ECM can recalibrate the throttle position. If you want to read more about any other OBD-II codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Next, another possible cause of the P0121 code is a faulty throttle position sensor itself. Like any electronic component, the TPS can wear out over time. Inside the sensor is a resistive track or electronic sensing element that changes the output voltage as the throttle plate moves. After years of operation, this sensing element can become worn, damaged, or develop dead spots. Next, another possible cause of the P0122 code is a faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. On vehicles equipped with an electronic throttle, the accelerator pedal isn't connected to the throttle body by a cable. Instead, the APP sensor measures how far you're pressing the accelerator pedal and sends that information to the ECM. Inside the APP sensor are 2 or sometimes 3 separate sensing circuits for safety. As you press the pedal, each sensor produces a voltage signal that changes smoothly, and the ECM continuously compares these signals to make sure they agree. If one of the APP sensor signals becomes erratic, drops out, or no longer matches the others, the ECM can no longer determine the driver's throttle request accurately. To prevent unintended acceleration, it stores the P0122 trouble code.